Well, hi there pluckers. I have a All Things About Video Game, hopefully with another interesting lesson for you. This is my single acoustic guitar arrangement for American Dreaming by Ferrell. Hopefully you've seen my playthrough I did a couple of days ago. Okay, so I'm going to hopefully show you what I played then. Okay, so standard tuning, capo on the 3rd fret. Okay, puts us into the same key of E flat, the way I'm playing it. That Ferrell plays this song in. Okay, so starting off with the intro, the way I did it was like this. Do 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 do. Wake up again, off into the first verse. Okay, so what am I doing there? So just sort of singing along with those notes to start with. Do do, that's an open A string, 5th string, to the 3rd fret of the 5th string from the capo. Do do do. Then I'm forming a C chord, standard C chord. Okay, but as I'm actually first strum, the D string, the 4th string is open, so that 2nd finger is off. It's not fretting the string at that time. So I've just got the 3rd on the 5th string and the 1st on the 2nd. But as soon as you strum it, you hammer into that 2nd fret on the 4th string. Okay? So it's do 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 do. And then I'm playing an F chord. Do. Now I'm playing what I call a 4-fingered F, F with C in the bass. It's a very standard simple F chord, but this 3rd finger goes up to the 5th string, 3rd fret from the capo, and the pinky take over on the 3rd fret from the capo on the 4th string. That enables you to play all 5 strings, 5 downwards. So that for normal standard C, it's generally 4 strings downwards. But so I tend to play like that. But also you could play a full bar chord and play all 6 strings if you want to. Okay. So far, do 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 do. Then a simple G chord that way or that way. Do 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 do. And then we go into this bit. And what that is just a strum down on 5 downwards on the C chord. Then you play that top E string on its own. So then you play the 3rd fret on the 2nd string with your pinky. So it's 5 downwards, strum, pick up the top E string, open, then 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then take the pinky off and play that 1st fret on the 2nd string on the C chord. Okay, so you've got, and you do that 4 times, and then we're into the verse. Okay, so the whole intro that I did was this: do 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 do. Wake up again in an old motel. Now the actual verse, very simple. It's just C, the F chord, whichever way you want to play it, and a G chord. Okay, so it's C. Wake up again in an old motel. Is it F? Somewhere different, I can't tell. G. Every set of curtains opens. F to the open C. Road. Repeat. I'm missing you like hell. This band is like a prison cell, and I know you have gone with her, and I can't go back home. Very simple. Okay, just C, F and G. So once again, we'll go all the way through the intro and then the first verse very slowly. Okay. Do 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 Go. Wake up again in an old hotel. Is it somewhere different? I can't tell. Every set of curtains opens to the open road. And I'm missing you like hell. This van is like a prison cell, and I know you have gone with her. Can't go back home. And then we come to the chorus. Right, then we go into the chorus, okay, and again it's not that difficult. So you come out of that last line where it goes, I know you have gone with her, I can't go back home. I've been American dreaming, whoa, 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 whoa. I'm American dreaming. Whoa, 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 I'm American dreaming. Whoa, 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 but I never seem to get no rest. And that's your chorus, okay? And the chords involved in that are an A minor 7th, where it goes, I've been American dreaming. So that's basically second on the 4th string, the D string, and the 1st fret of the 2nd string. It's like a C but without the 3rd finger. Open 5th string, 5 downwards. Should sound like that. That's A minor 7. I've been American dreaming. Whoa, whoa, F, whichever F you're playing. Whoa, 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 C. Whoa. Repeat, I'm American dreaming. Again, F and C. Whoa, 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 and again, I'm American dreaming. Whoa, 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 but I never seem to get no rest. And that's after the 3rd one, it's American dreaming. Whoa, 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 G, but I never seem to get no C. Rest. So that's G and C there at the end, okay? So you got that? So let's go through right from the beginning and do the intro, the 1st verse and the 1st chorus, okay? Do 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 do. Woke up again in this old hotel. Is it something different? I can't tell. Every set of curtains opens to the open road. I'm missing you like hell. This van is like a prison cell, and I know you have gone with her, and I can't go back home. I've been American dreaming. Whoa, 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 I'm American dreaming. Whoa, 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 I'm American dreaming. Whoa, 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 but never seem to get no rest. Okay, so there you have it, the intro, 1st verse and the 1st chorus. Okay, now what happens next is it goes into verse 2. That plays exactly the same as verse 1, okay, with different words. Then you go into the chorus, chorus 2, and that's exactly the same as chorus 1, okay. Then we have an instrumental break, which is played on most of her recordings of this song on a slide guitar, electric slide guitar. Right, boys and girls, the actual instrumental bit, I do it like this. And then we go into verse 3, okay? So what we're doing there, so we're starting off with the F chord again that we've been playing at the beginning of the song, and we start it off with the third string open, so we lift off this second finger, okay, and we strike the chord 5 downwards and hammer into that second fret on the third string. Then take that second finger away again and play the F chord with the open third string again. So you've got, and then we play a C chord. Okay, so it's, and then there's a couple of strums on the C. Okay, so it's, okay, and then we do the C, but this time again we open up that second finger, 4th string open, and then hammer into that second fret on the 4th string. So it's, okay, as far as we got. So it's, and then after you've done that hammer, we do a couple of down up pick on the second on the 4th, open 4th, 3rd on the 5th, and then to the F chord. So it's from the beginning. Alright. And then we repeat that first bit again, the F bit, back to the C. So that's that. So up, down, up on the second on the 4th, open 4th, 3rd on the 5th, and then start strumming the C chord again. Just hit that 3rd on the 5th and then start strumming the C chord. So very slowly, the whole thing. Then we go into verse 3, okay, that's followed by, again that plays exactly the same as verse 1 and 2 with different words. We then go into another chorus, okay, same as the other choruses, okay, I've been American Dreaming, that bit, okay. Then we play verse 4, right, and that is exactly the same as verse 1, 2 and 3 to play, different words, apart from the very last chord. Subtle, I don't know if it was a mistake, but instead of ending up on the C, you end up on an A minor. Okay, so it's verse 4 is so I get back home and try to be someone that's something like me, but I've forgotten all my angels after hearing the wind. Sitting out here with the fire, meditate to pass the time, but there's something inside setting me all over again. The very last chord is an A minor. It's normally a C, but on all the other verses it's a C. But on verse 4, you do this. You do the A minor and just stop it. Single strum will do nicely. So that last line is, there's something inside setting sail all over again. Then we go into that interlude again, right? The instrumental bit. And then we come to the outro, which is 2 lots of chorus, okay? I've been American dreaming, whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm American dreaming, whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm American dreaming, whoa, whoa. But I've never seen a kid no ways. I'm American dreaming, whoa, whoa. I'm American dreaming, whoa, whoa. slow down. Oh, oh, sorry, do the last line. American dreaming. Whoa, 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 but I never seem to get no rest. So I'll stop on the G. No, get no C. Rest. Okay, and there it, boys and girls. That's my take for a single guitar version of American Dreaming for Sierra Ferrell. Okay, thanks very much for watching. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.